Hello, my speech is about the vehicle restriction policy in Beijing, China. With time passed, vehicles become a more and more important transport in everyday life. Indeed, the cars provide a lot of convenience to people's lives, but vehicles also apply great pressures to the transport and the environment. As a result, how to relieve traffic pressure, improve the environment become an important topic for the government. In the year of 2008, Beijing held the 29th Olympic Games. The government believed that it was needed to come up a policy to restrict traffic. So there was a policy that restricts vehicles with license plates ending in numbers started. The policy was not cancelled after the Olympic Games and lasted to now. Although the vehicle restriction policy has some effects, it is not a method to solve the traffic pressures for a long time. Mainly, there are several influences to people's lives. Firstly, the policy can improve air quality and ease traffic pressure. Secondly, many people will only can use buses and subways, and they will challenge public transportation. Thirdly, more people will buy a second car, and this will cause problems of parking and the policy become useless. With statements above, I believe everyone has some understanding on the policy. Now we are going to talk about it in details. The vehicle restriction policy has some positive effects. Compared with the period without the limit, the mileage of congestion is halved, and the amount of peak roads that often with traffic problems reduced a lot. Also, the duration of congestion is significantly reduced. Based on air quality, based on daily air quality data provided by the Beijing government, the city's air quality was improved. According to the Environmental Protection Department's estimates, the vehicle restriction policy during weekday could reduce pollutant emissions by nearly 400 tons. We need to say the policy has some effects to improve the city, but it also caused some problems. One of the important problems is the pressure of public transportation. The capacity of public transportation is close to saturation in Beijing, especially for buses. So the policy would make buses and subways become more and more crowded and would cause safety problems. Beijing government set a low fare of subway and buses to encourage people choosing public transportation. This measure causes a huge lack of expenditure, and the government needs to subsidize, but the government could not afford too much. So there may be less people choose public transportation when the fare raises. Some people choose public transportation, but some others have other methods. To respond to the policy, many people buy a second car. In fact, the effect of policy is not to limit the number of vehicles, but the number of vehicles that can be run on the road. As long as the number of vehicles on the road reaches the high capacity, urban road congestion will naturally occur. The implementation of the policy made more people buy a second car, which promoted the car sales. Data shows that the car ownership increased 100 million after the policy came up for 2 years. As a result, the vehicle restriction policy would not have effect after several years since the car ownership increased. In conclusion, vehicle restriction policy has both positive and negative effects in Beijing. The policy can reduce the pressure on traffic and the pollution, but it will bring some more problems. Vehicle restriction policy is only a temporary move, but not a permanent goal. The plight of urban transport needs more comprehensive measures to resolve. Thank you.